Hi, everyone. It's Lindsay Barlow here with another quick tip for you. This one is about how to use your Notes app on your iPhone to scan documents. So I'm sure we've all been in a situation where we're doing offers on the road, listing presentations, that sort of thing. And you might not necessarily want to or have time to head back to the office to scan your documents through a printer. So this video is going to show you how to actually use your phone as a scanner. So you'll have the app, the Notes app, if you're an iPhone user. And what you're going to do is just open the app. And once you get into the home screen, you're going to click the New Notes button down at the bottom. And once it brings you into a new note section, then you will click this little camera button. It will give you a menu to choose from, and you're going to simply choose Scan Documents. It will bring up the scanner for you automatically. So I would have that all your documents laid out ready to go. You can scan more than one page in the same file. So it will save an entire offer as one file as opposed to saving it as separate pieces or separate files, each page being a separate file. So that's kind of handy. So you'll have your document ready to go. When you're ready to scan the next page, you just click this ready for next scan button, and it will take you through and let you scan each page individually. Once you have the entire document scanned, it's going to bring you to this screen. And this is where you're going to be able to choose what you do with it now. So you can click these three dots, and that will give you the option to then send a copy. If you want to email it to yourself, maybe you're going to send it to the front desk or send it directly to your client. So you can click send copy, and then it will give you the option to send it through text message and through email as well. So this one we're going to send through email, and it just opens up the email app on your phone, and you just put in who you're going to send it to. Change the subject, and your document has already been attached for you. So it's a pretty handy tool for when we're on the road and we don't necessarily want to go back and use our printers for scanning. It's nice to have that option to scan documents to a PDF file directly from your phone. That's our quick tip for today. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos and hope you all have a great day. Thanks, everyone.